broke the lift channel. So I guess I'm paying them to break my car, not fix it. What do you expect from idiots? Yeah, isn't that nice? Yeah, I know the paint's not the best in the world, but at least you can do is not tear it up. Yeah, this is what happens when you hire people that don't know what the hell they're doing. Or they're too greedy. They promise to do the work for a price, and then they change their minds and don't want to do the work anymore after they get paid.